This melt-in-your-mouth sweet is universally adored. Here's a simple recipe for gulab jamuns. To make the sugar syrup, boil 2.5 cups of water with about 1.5 cups of sugar. A dash of rose water adds a lovely aroma. This needs to boil till it's sticky. If it feels thin, don't worry, it'll thicken as it cools. For the dough, start off with milk powder and maida, along with some baking soda. Add ghee. Now add milk to start forming the dough. Be gentle as over-kneading can make your jamuns hard. Then grease your fingers with a little ghee and make smooth balls. They must be smooth without any cracks or lines, or you risk them breaking when fried. To deep fry them, heat a good amount of ghee or oil on medium and then reduce the flame to low before adding the jamuns. High heat will brown the outsides, leaving the insides undercooked. Keep stirring gently to fry them uniformly. When done, immediately add them to warm sugar syrup. These taste better when rested for a few hours before serving. A daunting dessert made easy with this simple, glamorous guide. If you liked this, do let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.